This institution is an equal opportunity provider.
Today I will be teaching you how to locate and delete your spam. Your spam is a section within every email that you have where it receives trash emails, and sometimes it receives important emails depending on who the email is from. To delete your spam itself, first you will sign into your account, which is your Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, whichever account you are using. Next, on the left hand side on the tabs, you will locate where it says spam, SPAM. You will locate it. Normally, it will have a caution sign or exclamation sign as the logo. Once you locate your spam itself, you will double click on it, and every email in your spam will pop up. Once every email in your spam pop up, third, you will select the email itself, or at the top, it will say empty spam now as shown in the image in the middle, or it will say delete all spam messages now as shown in the image on the right hand side. Once you click delete all images now or empty spam now, every spam email that you have within that section will be deleted, and that's how you locate and delete your spam itself. Thank you. Today I will be teaching you how to delete in Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and your downloads. To delete in your Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook, first you will log into your account itself. Once you log into your account, you will select the email that you are trying to delete itself. Once you select that email, take your cursor and your mouse and hover over that email or double click that email. Once you double click or hover over that email, you can either right click and hit delete, or you can open the email itself, and after that, look at the top section. There should be a trash can located in the top right corner. Once you look at that trash can, you can click that trash can and you can hit delete, and the box will pop up and it will ask you if you want to delete. Just hit delete again to confirm. Now, to delete any information or anything in your downloads, you will go to your folder/files. You will go to your download section. Once you get to your download section, you will locate the item you're trying to delete. On that item, you will take your mouse or cursor. You will right click on that item itself. A box should pop up that says delete. You will click delete. If the box does not pop up, you can always go to your top section where the trash can is, and you can hit the trash can. You can also delete through that way. Thank you. Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to use Google Docs. Google Docs is another device within Google Drive itself, and mainly is a device on Google Chrome, or if you don't have a Google Chrome, you can always log into Google Drive itself through your Gmail. So, Google Docs, a lot of people use Google Docs to write papers, to create templates, create brochures, and other important things that they need to create. To start off, you will log into your Google Drive account. Once you log into your Google Drive account, on the left hand side, you should locate 3 lines. Those 3 lines, you will click that 3 lines, and there should be a box that pop up. Once the box pops up, you can always locate where it says Google Docs. You will select Google Docs, and your Google Docs will open. Once Google Docs open, it will ask you if you want a blank template, brochure, resume, any type of templates that you want to use, because it has multiple templates to use. You will click the Google Docs itself. Once it opens, it will be blank, and you can always write in the section or create any type of image or anything within that section. You can always edit your work by right clicking, or at the top there's different toolbars that you can use to edit your information in there. You can also share your work. In the top right corner on Google Docs, there's a share button. When you click the share button, you can always email any other recipient that you want to see your work. And you can also message it to any other recipient you want to see your work. So yes, thank you. Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to use Google Slides. So your Google Slides is another way of creating presentations that you need instead of using PowerPoint if you do not have PowerPoint downloaded onto your device. So to locate your Google Slides, you would log into your Google Drive account. Once you log into your Google Drive account, on the left hand side, guys, there will be 3 lines. Those 3 lines, you will click those 3 lines. Once you click those 3 lines, there should be a box that pops up that shows you Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. You will click your Google Slides. Once you click your Google Slides, Another box should pop up and it should ask you what type of template do you want to use for your Google Slides: presentation mode, PowerPoint mode, any type of mode. Once you click that, you can start creating your Google Slides for any presentations that you're trying to do. You can also edit within your presentations. The main way to edit within your presentations, you can add images, you can add text, shapes, lines, you can delete anything. You can always right click to edit those, or you can look at the top portion. There should be different sections that you can use to edit. And you can always share your work also. At the top right corner, there's a share button where you can share any type of presentations that you create with any other recipient that you want to see your presentation. Thank you. Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to use Google Sheets within your Google Drive itself. So to start off, you will log into Google Drive on your devices. Once you log into Google Drive on any device that you have, you will locate on the left hand side, there should be lines, and you will click those lines, and that should open up a box. Once you open up that box, there should be a section that says Google Sheets. Once you hit Google Sheets, you should be able to open up another section that is mainly focused on Google Sheets. And it will ask you if you want to create a blank Google Sheets or if they have different templates for Google Sheets that you're trying to use. Once you select the Google Sheets that you're trying to use, you can open that section up. And once that section opens, you can use the Google Sheets itself. You can always edit and format within Google Sheets itself. To edit, you will mainly double click within the cell, or if there's an empty cell, you double click in that empty cell and you'll be able to edit within that format. In order to continue editing, there will also be a portion at the top section of the Google Sheets where you can also use to edit if you want to edit any type of numbers, shapes, letters, anything within the cell itself. If you want to move the cells or rotate the cells, you can always do that. You can always share the information that you're placing in the cells or on that sheet itself to any other recipient, because at the top right portion, you can always click share. Once you click share, you can always share your file to any recipient that you want to share it to, as long as you know their email address. So yes, thank you.